It's difficult to trust that over 3 years have gone by since Dodge initially acquainted us with the Charger SRT Hellcat. Would it say it isn't? Amid this time, the Super Cantina has demonstrated its certifications against some capable machines, dominating the competition much of the time. A totally new age of the Charger and Challenger will apparently advance onto the market in 2021, however before they do, Dodge will refresh the two autos in 2019. So what would it be advisable for us to anticipate from the two prevalent vehicles? All things considered, as per Enoch Gabriel Gonzales' vision, a lot of visual show, as his renderings are extremely idealistic, most definitely. The Photoshopper has concentrated on the range-topping rendition of the Charger, the SRT Hellcat, fitting it with new guards and lights and conditioning down some of its forceful lines. While the front end looks very pleasant, the back isn't precisely engaging with those huge daylights. Obviously, we should hold up no less than one more year before observing what the FCA-possessed brand has in store for the Challenger and Charger, and if their overhauls will incorporate any work conveyed in the engine of the Hellcats. Despite the fact that with 707 horsepower available to them as of now, we question anybody would mind if Dodge allowed the supercharged V8 well to sit unbuffered.